In 2010, a fan, after a successful startup, bought this Lexus 570 for $200. Now, after 15 years and 650,000 kilometers, his business has also been thriving. But this old companion is now worn out. Over these 15 years, it has worked tirelessly, accumulating various issues, and can no longer continue to run. Having chanced upon our restoration video, it was so professional that with no budget, we're doing a full car overhaul to bring it back to its prime. Without further ado, watch us save this old-timer's car. Let's strip it down.
The car's still leaking. The carpet's all wet.
Completely stripped down, disassembling the car body and chassis. The entire chassis is badly rusted, which is all due to the working environment. The original car's rubber bushings are also shot. Don't even look, they're crumbling with rust.
The car body rust is worse than the chassis.
Given this, can the car still be used? Starting to clean the chassis?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
The engine has been completely disassembled. It's now ready for ultrasonic cleaning, disassembling the rusted Disassembly is complete. All parts are refurbished, and even the car's mainframe no longer needs repair. All parts have been refurbished. Don't try to imitate this, you might not put it back. Air blasting the main beam inside. The chassis assembly is now complete. Let's begin assembling the engine. All the parts that needed replacing are brand new, and now the two of us will put it together. Just follow the simple steps and you can easily assemble your engine at home.
The engine reassembly is now complete. Did you learn anything? As for the car's body in this condition, the fan decided to replace it entirely to ensure a good presentation. So we'll remove the car body, then resand it thoroughly and finally repaint it. Final adjustments before factory release, taking 2 months, finally restoring Big Brother's beloved car to like-new condition.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.